There are mornings that you wake up like this, so let's fix that. Hey everyone, it's Lily. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a little get ready with me to go to brunch. I'm just gonna start with putting some moisturizer on my skin. And since we're going on a patio, I will be putting some sunscreen. It's supposed to be very hot this week, so I'm gonna wear something very light. I'm gonna go ahead with a primer, and I'm using the hard candy one. Skin prep is done, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Using the brow lift from e.l.f., I'm just simply going to shape my eyebrows into the shape that I want. I honestly love that stuff. I'm pressing the product into the skin to make them stick. Using an angle brush and the eyebrow tattoo by Maybelline, I will create a tail of my eyebrow. Then I'll take a small brush and a concealer, and I will define my eyebrow just underneath the eyebrow just to give them a nice shape. I'll blend with my finger. Then we're gonna do the skin, so I'm gonna put some foundation. I'm using the MAC Face and Body one. I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm really going for something light. Then I'll blend with a beauty blender. Then I'm taking the same concealer that I used earlier, using my finger. I'll apply some on my dark circles and on any imperfections that's on my skin. And I'll blend with my finger because I think that gives the best result for coverage. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. Putty Bronzer, putting some on a dense brush, and going to create some shadows on the side of my face. Just following right underneath and a bit on top of my cheekbone. I'm going also on my forehead, on my jawline, and on the side of my nose. Now I'm also putting some on my cupid bow just to create volume on my top lip. And then I'm taking the jelly highlighter from e.l.f., putting some right on my cheekbone, and this stuff is like super highlighting, so I'm gonna blend with my finger at first. I put some on my nose as well, and then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and blend everything out. Look at that glow. It's like, it looks really cool. Then I'm gonna take my setting spray from e.l.f. and I'm just going to push my face. Then I'm taking a loose powder. I'm using the one from CoverGirl with a powder puff, and I will simply just set under my eye and trying not to touch the highlighter that I just added. Alright, and then I'm gonna put some eyeshadow primer on my face. I'm using the one from NYX. Just going to blend with my finger. Then I'm gonna take this lovely little palette from Kuo. Since the outfit I have in mind has a little bit of purple in it, I was thinking a little bit of purple on my eyes would be really cute. I'm gonna start with that shade right here with a fluffy brush and just apply it all over my lid to get a nice base. I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush. Using the same shade, I'll put some on the bottom lash line, and I will stop right where the iris is, so around the middle of the eye. Then I will take this very shimmery light purple shade right here. With my finger, I'll apply some right where my lid starts, pressing on my lid to make sure the glitter stays. Very pretty. Then I'm gonna take this purpley glitter shade with my finger, and I will apply it in the middle of my lid, going a little bit on top of my crease. And finally, I will take the same light shimmery shade and I will put it in my inner corner and stop where the iris is, so in the middle of the eye right there. Then I'll do a simple eyeliner. Then I will curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I'm using the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. Then I will apply some blush. So I'm using this powdered one by Fit Me Maybelline. So just going to put some on my cheeks. I'm going up on my temple a little bit and on the chin just a tiny bit, or not on the nose. I'm gonna put a highlighter. So I'm using this highlighter from NYX. Using a light fluffy brush, I'll apply some on top of my cheeks where I put the highlighter earlier, tip of my nose, and my chin. For the lips, I'm going to line my lips with a pencil. This is from Revlon. Color Stay in the color Raisin. Take my finger and simply just blend the lip liner inside my lips. Then I'm gonna take some of this liquid lipstick in the shade 464 Prepared. It's from L'Oreal. I'm going to put some on my bottom lip in the middle. Since this is very dark, I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm simply pinching my lips together and putting some on top and the bottom lip. And then I'm going to blend with my finger. And finally, for a little bit something special, I'm going to use the same palette that I used earlier, the Cool palette, and using the light shimmery purple shade, I'm going to put some on top of my highlighter just to add a little bit of a purple hue. I think it's going to look really cute, and it is looking really cute. So just like this, it adds a little bit of purple. Now let's do my hair. Since we're going with that purple aesthetic, I have this scarf, so I'm gonna put it in my hair. So for my hair, I was thinking, yeah, I'm going to tie it. I'm going to do just a nice separation in the middle, and I'm gonna use some hair mousse. I'm using this one from Dove. Just gonna apply some on my hair, starting at the roots and going on the side of my hair where I want it pulled back. Then I'm gonna take a very nice round brush and just start slicking my hair in the back. Then I'm gonna tie my hair very tightly, and using some hair gel, I will smooth everything with the hair gel. Going again with the brush just to get those nice hair all slicked back and gorgeous. And then for my hair in the back, I'm going to braid it. And tie it with an elastic. So for the scarf, I'm doing something very simple. I'm just going to tie it in the middle like this and tie it in the back and do a little bow. Just like this. Now that the hair is done, let's do outfit. So for the outfit, I was thinking this little top with this little skirt. The outfit looks like this, but now I'm just going to add a little blouse in case it gets a little chilly. So this is the fit. I really like it. I think it's really cute. I'm just going to wear my white sneakers with it. I also have this purse that is really cute and pink. And I think it goes really nicely with the outfit. I think it looks really cute. And I really like it. So that's it for the whole get ready with me for brunch. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope I see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you all. Thank you for everything. Bye bye.